Hello, everyone. I'm Hayden Zeiss with Lanacera Investments. We're a real estate investment company, and today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about how somebody could convert their individual retirement account, or IRA, into a self-directed IRA to invest in real estate. It's really quite simple, but there's a few rules that you need to follow. So, if you moved from an old job, you probably have an old 401k that you've converted into an IRA, or you still have that money sitting in the 401k, which is fine too. But if you're looking to diversify your retirement savings into real estate, I really encourage you to look at a self-directed IRA as an option to do so. So I'm a visual learner and I like analogies. So I'm going to put up a graphic that my business partner, Kelly Treon, and I made. And it's going to tell you a little bit about how the process of money flows in and out of the self-directed IRA. Okay, so I'm going to put the graphic up. Okay, so think of a self-directed IRA as a town. Okay, so you're the architect. You design it to be self-sustaining by initially funding it in exactly the way that you want. And then you elect a mayor. And the mayor oversees the town as the third-party custodian. And then you just leave the town and let it grow. So because you're out of the town, you can't touch the money. But let me tell you more about the series of roads that we have here. So there are one-way roads in and out of town. And first, the one-way streets, you've got Rollover Avenue. And this is a one-way street into town where the money can come in by rolling over your old 401k or retirement account. Then we've got Income Deferral Boulevard. This street, like a 401k or an IRA, allows your personal income to flow one way into the town tax deferred. So you can put your money that you make into this to buy more assets. You just can't take money out until you're older, and we'll get into that in a second. Now, there's a two-way street in and out of town. This is called Income Property Circle. This is the road. This is the only two-way street. And when you built the town, you initially funded it from Rollover Avenue. With these funds, you can direct Mayor Custodian to purchase the desired real estate investment, like a share in a real estate syndication or a variety of other properties. Now, these properties, they come back in the form of a newly purchased asset back to the town. Now, Rental Income Road. This is my favorite road. Rental income comes into the town one way and it stays there and it stays tax deferred. So then we have Rental Expense Way. It's important to know that since you've left the town, you can't use any of the money outside it to directly pay for rental property expenses. There's a few exceptions, but for the most part, you need to use your third-party custodian or mayor to pay for the property expenses. So in the event that you have to add funds to the town due to maybe an unexpected expense, you have to use Income Property Road. And now, once Mayor Custodian has the cash, they'll use Rental Express Way to pay the contractors or another relevant party. Now, finally, this brings us to Distribution Lane, sometimes called Minimum Distribution Lane. Think of this road as being under construction until you turn 59 and a half. Now, once you do, you can start reaping the rewards of your investment. So, to wrap this up, people who want to get higher returns or diversify their portfolio can do so with retirement money and invest in alternative investments of their choice. So, to do so, they need to find an investment opportunity, speak with the third-party custodian, give them the funds, and then tell the custodian where they want the funds to go. Once the investment's set up, you should treat it like your traditional IRA in that you won't touch that money until you're 59 and a half or it's necessary. Remember, you're not making the investment property personally, your IRA is. And you have to treat yourself as separate entities when investing. So that's it. If you found this information helpful, please check out our website, lanacerainvestments.com. We've got tons of educational material there. Appreciate it. Until next time, thank you.